Yes, I do, in the sense that valuations are very high on that sector. We have to keep in mind that we're in the midst of a creative destruction type cycle, both in terms of tech versus bricks and mortar, and also on the green technology area. So these things are all causing a lot of disruption. Investors have picked up very clearly on the tech theme, and the point is they've priced it to perfection. So the valuations are make it a dangerous investment. It's a little bit like a freight train. You don't want to stand in front of it, but at the same time, it's running on a bit rickety track. And so looking at better valuation areas such as cyclicals, industrials, and so on, financials, particularly in those areas that are going to benefit from renewed growth in China, look like a more interesting place to be at the present time.
Yes, and I'm glad you brought that up, Andrew, because the data yesterday out of China on a trade basis seemed to support really the story we've seen in recovery, especially on the export number too, that things are growing, things are improving. But it also seems to me that you have a little bit of doubts as to whether or not this strength that is being led out of China has the potential to continue to lift other parts of the world. What do you think?
Well, this is actually a critical feature. In past crises recently, let's say 2008, 2015, China played a major role in growing the rest of the world out. Right now, they're clearly focused on China itself, making sure that China is growing, but not stimulating sufficiently to pull the rest of the world out. In fact, exports going up are a net drag on global growth. So the only uh, place where you're going to see potential growth is from the U.S. And there we do have a lot of pluses and minuses, but quite a bit of minuses going on. A little bit of lack of political will to keep the stimulus going, things like that. So global growth looks on the slow side right now. Although things that are tied to China may not be, may actually be in good shape.